Hi everyone, welcome back. A couple of weeks ago there, we were trying to get this novice to work, and we did have her running, and I was telling you that she went into a bucket of water. Anyways, I managed to get her to fly a little bit after that, but then this particular motor right here, it wouldn't spin anymore. So I ordered myself 4 motors. Here's the new motor right here. This is the new motor. So today we did some more testing. We unplugged the old motor and plugged in the new motor, and she's spinning, and it seems like all of the other 4 are spinning. So anyway, stick around, and we're going to show you how to change this motor. Okay everyone, that motor that I just unscrewed is not the motor we're changing. This is the motor that we're changing. I need to pay attention. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty simple. There's just the 3 screws. We've already plugged in the other motor. We tested the other motor, and it's working. You can see there, this is the old motor that's stopped working there, and there's 3 holes right here, and the 3 screws will fit into it, and we'll pull the propeller off and put it on. So all we need to do is we're going to put the motor right up under here. Actually, you know what? I think we're going to go in from this side. We're going to go in from that side. And we're going to try and line this one up right here. Okay, this is a little bit tricky here.
Just wait.
This is, these screws are very tiny. I'll just loosen that one off a little bit so we can line this up. Tell you, make sure you're wearing your glasses too.
Okay.
So it's really hard to see the tiny holes there that these screws are going into. Okay, now for these props here, just they're a little bit tricky to pull off. Okay, so let me just line this up. Again, you're dealing with very tiny holes, and make sure that you push that prop down, because you definitely want to make sure that that she's on there good and tight. Okay, and there's a motor. We'll chuck in the garbage. Okay, now let's plug in a battery and see if we can get all four of these spinning. Okay. And if we can get these spinning, maybe we'll take this out for a flight and see what kind of footage we get. Okay, it looks like we're connected. Now, originally the Novice did come with box goggles, and it came with this controller. But I've really determined to learn this FPV stuff, so I've actually got myself a pair of Eachine EV100 goggles, which we're going to try out today. and the Tyrannus QX7 that we've bound up to the Novice. So let's see if we can get these motors spinning. Okay, so we're going to arm it. Okay, it looks like we're armed. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope this little video was beneficial to someone that needs to change the motor. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Sit back and enjoy a little bit of footage. Anyways, I think that's all the flying we're going to do today. We've pretty much ran all these batteries dry. So this is kind of our first real run with these little whoops. And I'll tell you, you're definitely, if you're thinking of getting into FPV, you got to practice. You got to practice a lot. I mean, I'm only flying these little ones here, but it's not as easy as some of these guys out there make it look. But it is a lot of fun. It is a lot of adrenaline. Anyways, that's the Novice 1 from Eachine, and I hope you enjoyed that little flight. We'll catch you in the next one. Fly safe. Fly one of these.